This platform pays you money every 24 hours. You don't need to perform any task. All you need to do is to put in your investment capital and you sit back and watch your earnings drop in your account every 24 hours. Guys, if you really want to make money online in Nigeria, this is another make money online opportunity. You can join now and start making money for yourself. Let me show you how much I have made from this platform. If I click on profile, you see my available balance, 5,800 naira, right? 5,800 naira. And in this video, I am going to make a live withdrawal and show you exactly how you can also withdraw your money from this platform. You can also make money from this platform every single day just by logging into your account. Once you log into your account, you earn 100 naira instantly. Before I make a live withdrawal on this platform, let me first show you how to create your account so that you don't make any mistake while creating your account. To sign up on this platform, click the first link in the video description and it is going to take you to this page. Once you come to this page, the first thing you are going to do is to enter your full name, right? Enter your full name as it is in your bank account. Then you enter your email address here. Once you enter your email address, you enter your phone number here, right? After entering your phone number, don't touch anything here. Don't touch anything here. Then you enter your password, the password you are going to be using to log into your account, right? You enter the password here, then you click sign up. Click sign up now, right? Once you click sign up now, your account will be created instantly. So let me go back to my account and show you the different packages you can choose from and how to deposit money in your account. Before you deposit money in your account, you need to first know the amount for each package, right? So click on product here. Once you click on product, you are going to see different packages. The first one is Corewealth one, as you can see here, and the price is just 3,000 naira, right? 3,000 naira, and it is going to last for 32 days. On this plan, you are going to make 960 naira every single day. At the end of the 32 days, your total revenue will be 30,720 naira. Then this is the second plan, which is Corewealth 2. This plan is going to cost you 5,000 naira and it is going to last for 32 days. On this plan, you are going to earn 1,600 naira every single day. And at the end of the 32 days, your total revenue will be 51,200 naira. If I scroll down again, you see other plans right here. This is Corewealth 3. This is going to cost 10,000 naira and still the same 32 days. So you are going to earn 3,200 naira on this plan, and the total revenue after 32 days is 102,400 naira. Then this is the next plan, Corewealth 4. To join this, it is going to cost 20,000 naira, 32 days expiration, and daily income is 6,400 naira. At the end of the 32 days, you are going to earn total revenue of 204,800 naira. So you can scroll down and see other plans right here. This is Corewealth 5, 40,000 naira. You earn 12,800 naira daily. This is Corewealth 6, 50,000 naira, and you earn 16,000 naira every single day. So you can scroll down and check other plans. Now, once you have known the package you want to go for, the next thing you should do is to deposit money in your account, right? So let's take for instance that you want to go for this plan of 10,000 naira, which is Corewealth 3. It is going to cost 10,000 naira, so you are going to deposit 10,000 naira, right? So this is just an example. If you want to go for Corewealth 4, you are going to deposit 20,000 naira. If you want to go for Corewealth 2, you are going to deposit 5,000 naira. So depending on the plan you want to go for. So to deposit money, just go back to your profile. To deposit money, click on profile. Once you click on profile, you are going to see funding account details right here. As you can see, transfer to this account to automatically fund your account. So you are going to see an account details right here. Once you make a deposit to the account details provided in your own dashboard, the amount of money you deposited is going to automatically reflect in your account. You are not going to have any issues with this system while depositing your money. So let's assume that you have deposited money in your account. For instance, you have deposited 10,000 naira or 20,000 naira or 5,000 naira. Then go back to products, right? Go back to products. Once you click on product, you click buy. As you can see, if you deposited 3,000 naira, that is the first one, you just click buy. Once you click buy, your investment will start running automatically. If you deposited 5,000 naira, you click buy here, and your investment will start running automatically. If you deposited 10,000 naira, you come here and click buy, right? And your investment will start running automatically. So the same thing applies to other plans. So I've showed you how to deposit money and how to buy a package on this platform. Once you have deposited and purchased a plan, the next thing I recommend you do is to set up your bank account details for withdrawal, right? To do that, go back to profile again. Once you click on profile, if you come here, you are going to see set up withdrawal account details, right? So click it and set up your bank account details for withdrawal. So before I place a withdrawal, I want to show you when you can actually place your withdrawals. If you look here, you will see the withdrawal time. You can withdraw every day from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. right? From 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Now, it is 12 minutes after 10 a.m. in the morning as of the time I am recording this video. So I can go ahead and make a withdrawal. So for you to make a withdrawal, go back to your profile again. Once you come to your profile, you click available balance, right? Click it. So if you look here, you see that you need to set a withdrawal pin, right? You need to set a withdrawal pin. So I'm going to set up my own withdrawal pin and continue. So you are going to enter a 4-digit pin. You are going to enter it here, then you confirm it here. So I'm going to do that right now. So I have set up my withdrawal pin. I'm going to go ahead and continue the withdrawal. As you can see, my balance is 5,800. So I'm going to enter it here. So I'll enter my transaction pin. Then if you look here, you see that the minimum withdrawal is 800 naira and a 15% service fee applies. So they are going to charge you 15% charge for withdrawal. I hope you get now. So let me continue. I will click on place withdrawal. Remember, you have to set up your bank account details for withdrawal first before you can actually place your withdrawal. So I will click on place withdrawal right here. So as you can see, withdrawal placed successfully and the status is now pending. I will pause this video right now, and when I get the withdrawal, I will continue this video. Alright, I just checked my transaction history, and as you can see, the payment has been confirmed. As you can see it here, confirmed. So let me go to my app and show you the money right there in my account. So as you can see, this is the money right here. Remember, they charged 15% withdrawal fee, as you can see. So this is the amount I received. 4,930 naira is the amount I received to my bank account. So guys, as you can see, the platform is paying. If you want to make money online in Nigeria, you can go ahead and register using the link in the description of this video. Once you register and deposit money in your account, you are going to get a bonus of 800 naira. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys. Go ahead and like this video, click the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos about how to make money online in Nigeria, you will be the first to get notified by YouTube. Share this video with your friends to take advantage of this particular platform. If you want to join my Telegram channel, you are going to see the link in the video description. And also, if you want to send me a message on WhatsApp, you will also see my WhatsApp link in the video description.